How to view your Snapchat message history. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can view your Snapchat message history. Now, as you open the Snapchat app, you'll get an interface like this. Now, if you tap on the message icon that you can find on the bottom of your screen just beside the search icon, you'll get all your messages here. Now you can see your text message that has been going on with all of your friends right here. Now if I want to see a certain message or the history, then I'll just open up by tapping on one of the names on the screen, and here if you scroll up you will be able to look at the history. So you won't be able to find much if you haven't saved. Since these are the saved ones, I can view these ones, as Snapchat has a mechanism of deleting the text within 24 hours of viewing. Your messages won't be stored much, but you can save them so that it gets stored. Now how you can save them: if you open up a chat, and here you'll get a save option on videos and images right here, and if you click on it you can save them, and to unsave them you can just long press and you'll get an option to unsave in chat, to save to camera roll, or to delete. You can just simply click on unsave in chat. Similar thing can be done with your text too. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.